Alright, so here we are. It's like 7 o'clock. We're doing the Lost Mine Trail. Everyone tells you got to get here early for parking. I 100% agree. Parking lot small. Maybe holds 10 cars. There's about 3 spots left maybe. It is a Saturday. So here's what we're hoping to see today, or maybe not see.
We are not hoping to see those today.
I am. Maybe from a distance at least. That would be awesome. Alright. We'll report back soon.
Take me on a ride. I got a good feeling about the colors lighting up your eyes. Take me home, take me to the sky. I got a good feeling. Tell me the only thing you are is mine now. Na, 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 na. I got a good feeling. Na, 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 na. I got a good feeling. Good feeling. You wanna know is.
Alright. So we're on the Lost Mine Trail. It's one of the overlooks. So far the trail's been kicking our butt, but we're gonna get there slowly, but we'll get there. Look at these. Almost to the peak. Alright, so we made it to the very peak of Lost Mine Trail. Because you got this big wall here, views aren't the best. But the views over there are amazing. Look at this.
Crazy.
Alright, so we just finished the Lost Mine Trail. We're exhausted. It took us about 3 hours and 45 minutes.
A little over 5 miles.
Yeah, 5.3. And
Elevation gain 1,019 on my watch. What do you have?
I don't know, I just skipped it.
Oh.
But that being said, it was awesome. Along the way, you'll see a bunch of like little pull-offs where you have amazing views. But
the higher you go up, the better they get.
yeah.